YouTube has become a huge creative outlet for me in 2021, and I can safely say it was a great decision for my brother and I to start Brother Earth. Even if we're still considered a small YouTube channel and these videos aren't getting a ton of views right when they're posted, I still enjoy posting, and I feel like if I can make a positive impact for at least one person, I'm gonna keep making these videos for that one person. Hey Familia, this is Benjamin, and welcome to Brother Earth. As you can see, I love that I started a YouTube channel with my brother in 2021. This video is for the viewers that kind of want to start a YouTube channel, but they don't know what the first step is to even getting started. I've got your back, Familia. In this video, I will be taking you through the 5 steps that I feel you need to take to start a YouTube channel in 2022. Feel free to skip around the video and to save it to your lists so you can come back if you need to get any reminders. The first step that may be pretty obvious is to create your channel. Now, what does create your channel mean? Creating your channel is thinking about and choosing how you want to be put out into the universe. Now, the ways that you'll do this: 1, choose a name for your channel. My brother and I literally had a brainstorming session, and Brother Earth is the name that won. An optional step is to choose a niche right away. Now, a niche or niche is a specific subject that you can tackle in your videos, and it gives you the opening for a specific audience right away. If you don't have a niche or niche yet, don't let it stop you. Just start making videos that you think you'd like to see and just go from there. That's what we still do in these videos. And once you have your name, you have your channel, you need a logo. The app that I use to create the Brother Earth logo that you can see on our profile picture and at the beginning of every video is Canva. It gives many templates and a lot of options to create your own designs. My brother and I knew that we wanted our logo to have the earth, and we wanted our colors to be purple and gold. And with the use of Canva, the rest, as they say, is history. By now you have your name and possibly a niche, you have your logo. From here, we need to customize the channel. The way you can do this is by going into your channel and clicking on the About tab. From here, you can follow the prompts. Create a description, add social media links, and here's where I have to admit that I spent money. YouTube allows you to set a background photo and to optimize it for different screens like a computer, a smartphone, and a TV. I personally was not at the time good enough at design to get this accomplished, so what we did is we went to the app Fiverr. From there, we found a freelance artist, I think named Techie Vishal, and yeah, he set us up with what you see on the screen right now, and what is our background photo. So you can use Fiverr for that. It just makes the channel look more professional from the jump. If you check out any popular YouTuber's video setups, you'll find a badass camera, maybe a really expensive computer, the top editing software, just a bunch of crazy expensive stuff. Personally, my brother and I would literally say we'll wait to start Brother Earth until we have a camera. And get this, I'm recording using my iPhone. Waiting to start this YouTube channel was literally, it was such a ridiculous concept. We should have started right away, and that's what you should do too. The starter kit that my brother and I had was an iPhone each to take the videos, an app named InShot to actually edit the videos, and our dumbass faces. That's all we needed, and we got Brother Earth set up. We've made a few upgrades since we started the channel a few months back, but if we can start with an iPhone, you can too. Now let's get to the fun part, posting your first video. You'll have to think about what you're gonna talk about, set up your camera, and just do the thing. There are a few things that you can think about, like lighting, microphones, which in a future video, I'll explain my specific YouTube setup, but the most important thing is to get in front of the camera and just get started. Like I said in step 4, you don't have to buy new gadgets to get started. Buy more shit as you go. While you're recording yourself, something to consider is not everyone is good at thinking on their feet, and it's okay to write a video script. Then from there, you can keep your script on your lap, out of camera range, and try to memorize as you go. This may lead to some frustration in the editing process because you might mess up a couple of times. You could also do the good old wrestling promo style and give yourself a checklist to make sure that you get all of your shit in, but otherwise you can just go off the top. Finally, you can make a script and use a teleprompter. There are teleprompter machines you can buy that really make you look like you're in the news. At least to yourself, nobody should actually see the teleprompter, and you won't forget what you wrote. Another option, which is much less expensive, is to use a teleprompter app. I know the app Toto does the job really well, and you can use that as well. Another optional tip is to start creating your brand right away. Now, in every Brother Earth video, you're gonna hear us say at the beginning, "Hey Familia, this is Benjamin or Diego, and welcome to Brother Earth." At the end of every video, we do the finger gun point and we say, "Hey, Brother Earth." Throughout this Vlogmas, I've actually adopted saying "see you tomorrow" at the end of my videos. These are all examples of creating a brand. It's kind of like catchphrases, but eventually the audience will catch on, and I personally have always liked when content creators created a brand, and we wanted to do the same thing for Brother Earth. Alright, now you built a YouTube channel from the ground up. You have your name, you have your logo, you have a video up. Now all you need is people to watch the damn thing. And that's where a good social media presence kicks in. You can promote on your personal social media like Instagram and Facebook, which is what I mostly do. You can also join forums like Reddit and find people that you can provide feedback or whatever comes from it. The most important thing though is the audience. And that's where posting many times will keep them happy and will allow you to continue to enhance your capabilities of this new craft. And that's it. That is my 2 cents on how you can start a YouTube channel in 5 easy steps as 2022 approaches. If this video brought any value to your life, please do me a favor and hit the like button. If you have any questions or tips of your own, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Finally, please subscribe to get us closer to 250. Each one of you counts, and we think we should keep this familia growing. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. And look what I'm about to do. Hey, Brother Earth.